nice evening. Sun going down. Been a bit cooler today, and so we're starting to put on heavier clothing and heading up the road again with my lovely wife Danita, and going up to my Mount Olivet. It's just a little stretch up the road that there's no houses for a while, and it's just very nice and secluded. So we're going to take a walk up there, enjoy ourselves, and just thank the Father and praise Him for all that He's done. So this is the part of the road here that I walk into. A nice area, gets a little darker in there, more secluded, and my wife is just off in the field there a little bit, picking some jewel weed. She knows a lot about the benefits of this stuff, and you got another plant here too, right? More of it. So, and this is something now because our cat has something wrong with his belly. He's a little sore on there. You're gonna rub this on there, right, or something? Okay.
It's the
yeah.
Juice from the stem.
Juice from the stem, she says. That's pretty interesting. She's quite knowledgeable with plants and stuff, so that's a blessing to me because I haven't had a place before that I could, learn that stuff. I know other things about the outdoors and stuff like that I'm showing to her, camping off grid in a survival situation, things like that. So, we're winding up for a big camping trip for Sukkot, and I put an article on the Camper Hollow website about it. We're looking forward to that. Of course, we got a few luxuries. We got some portable luxuries, and she's learning more about that. She's learning other things about being in the country, stuff like that, but she knows a lot about the plants and stuff like that, so that's pretty cool. Now it looks a little brighter once you get in here than it was from standing back a ways. It's a nice area. There's a stream that runs down by this, which is kind of nice. And I don't know if you can hear it. You can probably see it over in there. But this is just a really pleasant area. Now it's brighter up ahead on the camera than what it appears, just with our eye. So that's kind of interesting. You can hear the wildlife out here. It's really nice, and I just love it out in the mountains and the woods. And they start blowing this thing, and it scare everything away. If I actually do it right, they start responding. And so I came out here to practice this some more, and I figured this is a good area to do it. Not too many houses around.